Uh, to understand risk perception and how we get risk wrong, the really fundamental element is psychology. If you don't understand human psychology and how it works and the bifurcation between intuitive judgment and analytical judgment, if you don't understand that, you will get risk wrong for a very simple reason. Your intuitive judgment is dominant. It's actually Daniel Kahneman, the great Nobel Prize winning psychologist, he called that system one. And system two, of course, is analytical. System one, intuitive, quick, instantaneous. You just look at the problem, you feel, I should worry about this, or you feel I don't have to worry about this, right? System two, analytical thought, that takes conscious thought, takes time and effort, right? And so the critical distinction between these two is that intuition is instantaneous. Boom, you have the answer. This, your analytical thought, you come along, it's slow. And as a result of this relationship, this difference in how quickly they deliver, normal human decision making is you immediately get your intuition. That's automatic, comes to you whether you ask for it or not. And then you can, if you choose, think about it carefully. And what we know from overwhelming research is that typically we don't think about it carefully. And as a result, what that means is in this relationship between intuition and analysis, intuition is totally dominant. One of the great psychologists, Jonathan Haidt, actually has a wonderful metaphor. He calls it the elephant and the rider. You imagine a rider sitting up on top of the elephant, and the rider says, I'm in charge, of course. Look at me, I'm up here, I'm the big man. Who's really in charge? If the elephant wants to go this way, the elephant's going that way, and it doesn't matter what the rider says. So that's the relationship between the two. System two, analysis, is the rider who thinks he's in charge, who thinks he's making the decisions, but in fact, the really dominant partner here is the elephant.